Millions of people saw my video on Instagram. Now I'm bringing it to YouTube because you asked for it. I'm gonna show you how to make one of the best pizzas ever at home using this bread right here. First thing I like to do is take some of this butter. You can use garlic butter, you can season it. So we just wanna take this and put this in a hot oven about 400 degrees until you get a nice little golden brown ring around, and then we're gonna build on top of it. Now while you got that bread browning in the oven, you wanna go ahead and make your sauce. I'm using regular pizza sauce. You wanna put that in there, and you can add whatever you like to it. What I'm using today is a little bit of basil, a little bit of fresh garlic. I'm using some oregano. Obviously, you always gotta have a little bit of red pepper flakes. Now after you add your little salt and pepper in there, I like to also season it up with a little bit of oregano, as I mentioned earlier, and basil. Now I'm using this freshly chopped basil. Now I put this in my sauce, and of course I garnish this on top at the same time. As you see, that has a nice color and sauce there. See, when the sauce is flavorful, pizza gonna taste good. There you go, and that's how you want that bread to look, pretty much like this. You want it to be nice and golden brown because this starts a nice base for it, so we can put the sauce and everything up there, because without it, you'll just put all the sauce on the top, but there won't be no nice crunch underneath of it, like if you have one of those big, 600-degree ovens at a pizza place. Already, if you just wanted garlic bread, you literally can eat this as is. It's so good. But what we're gonna do is I'm gonna show you how to build this as a pizza. And we're gonna make sure we put a generous amount of sauce on this here. And spread this out. Look at that. See, this is why I like to infuse mine with herbs and spices, because look at that. It's a nice color, nice texture. Now we're gonna build this up by putting on cheese. Obviously, I'm using nice mozzarella cheese here. Nice Italian mozzarella, low moisture. And depending on how much cheese you like, is how much you use. I like to fill this thing up because I like it to be real creamy and cheesy. All right, now once you got your cheese and everything layered up there like you like it, you can put whatever you want on the top. You can put ground beef, you can put sausage, if you like vegetables. In this case, I love pepperoni, so I'm gonna stick with it, and I'm gonna add some pepperoni up here on mine. You can use as much as you like. I'm gonna load this up. Yeah. Now I'm using fresh cut pepperoni, not the pre-made kind, because when you can, it's best to do it yourself. Look at that. This is at home. Anybody could do this. This is great for the kids. This is great for the family. And actually, in the time that it would take you to go drive in a car, go to the store, go to your local favorite pizza place and buy it, dinner's done, and for a fraction of the cost. I throw a little bit of extra basil because the color is beautiful. Throw a little bit of pepper. And that's it. To go into the oven. Now you can use yours on a sheet, but I like to keep mine simple, less cleanup, and I throw it directly on there with just a piece of foil. In the oven, 450 to 500 degrees, as hot as you can get it. Monitor it for about 10 to 15 minutes, depending on the heat of your oven, and let's see how it looks when it come out. Slide this right up in there. Oh man, look at that. And just like that, look at that. Have a look at that. Look at that. The color, the pepperonis have curled nicely. Nice color. We got to cut into this thing and see how it tastes. Come on. Like I said, the whole family will like this. All right, let's see. Look at this. Oh man, look at that cheese. man. Look at that cheese. That is perfectly melted. And we got to do the taste test. Listen, it don't get no easier than this. This is a delicious alternative to going out buying pizza. It saves you a lot of money. The kids will love it. The whole family will enjoy it. And you be the star. You be the new pizza maker. So I'm gonna enjoy this. Hope y'all enjoyed this video and hope you do it for your family at home. This recipe is definitely one of my favorites. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did. Don't forget to like, subscribe, follow, hit that bell. See you next time.